Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use search folders in Microsoft Outlook. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Microsoft Outlook application and log into your account. Once you've done that, wait for your emails to fully load before moving forward. This ensures that all your folders and messages are properly synced and ready to work with. Now that your email has loaded, navigate to the top part of your screen where all your tools and menus are located. Look for the Folders tab and click on it. This tab is where you'll find all the folder management options in Outlook, including the ability to create and customize search folders that help you organize your inbox more efficiently. Once the folder menu opens, you'll see several options available. To use search folders, click on the New Search Folder button, which you'll find under the New section. This button opens up a whole new window that gives you access to various pre-built search folder templates designed to filter your emails based on specific criteria. A new window will appear presenting you with different folder options that you can add as search folders to your inbox. These templates are incredibly useful because they automatically organize your emails based on conditions you set, saving you time from manually sorting through messages. For this tutorial, we'll use the Unread Mail option as an example, but you can choose any template that fits your needs. Click on Unread Mail from the list. After selecting it, you'll need to specify which email account you want this search folder to apply to. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Search Mail In and select the appropriate email account. This step is important because it tells Outlook exactly where to pull the unread messages from, especially if you manage multiple email accounts within the same application. Once you've configured these settings, Outlook will generate a new folder that automatically contains only your unread emails. This means every time you receive a new unread message, it will instantly appear in this search folder without you having to do anything manually. It's a powerful way to keep track of messages that still need your attention. Now, head over to your inbox pane on the left side of the screen. Here, you'll notice the newly added Search Folders section. Click on the expand arrow next to Search Folders to reveal all the search folders you've created and configured. You'll see your Unread Mail folder listed there, and clicking on it will show you all your unread messages in one convenient location. And that's it. You've successfully set up and used search folders in Microsoft Outlook, making it much easier to manage and organize your emails based on specific criteria. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.